Welcome to Side Hustle Rules. My name is Lou Reyes. In just a few seconds, I'm going to be introducing you to Dave Maldonado. He's the low-key owner of Equinox Salon. It's a small but bustling hair salon in the greater Cleveland area that's developed a cult-like following that numbers in the thousands. And when I say cult-like following that numbers in the thousands, that's no exaggeration. He has a very loyal customer base. Now, before we move on, I do want you to know that this video was shot before Dave moved to his current location in North Ridgeville, Ohio. It's a suburb of Cleveland. Pittsburgh Scott and I, well, we plan on visiting him later this month to shoot an update. But for now, if you want to learn how to build a successful small business with a big, loyal, cult-like following, well, Dave's going to tell you.
Hi, my name is Dave Maldonado. I'm the owner of Equinox Salon in Ohio. Welcome to my studio. Probably my favorite thing about owning a salon is actually being able to use my own creativity, put things together the way I want them to be, and working with the general public and being a part of the community. Walking in and meeting different types of people, learning about different lifestyles, and having an eclectic atmosphere in my salon. There's so many different times that I've had a customer walk in who's just having an overall bad day. And first thing I do is I don't even get into the hair aspect of things. We talk a little bit about their day, what's going on with them, how they're feeling, and that to me is a sign that we need to do something a little bit different today. Definitely 100% hands down, my secret to success is always being one step ahead of new trends, customer service number one, and it all comes down to being a team, having a phenomenal staff, making them happy. If my staff isn't happy, they won't make their clients happy. Getting into the hairstyling world has kind of always been in my blood. My mother did hair, aunts and uncles did hair, cousins that did hair, so it was kind of just something that I went along with. It was a family thing, and that's how I started into this business. I have a very steady clientele, some that have been with me for 20 plus years since I was even in beauty school. Those clients you establish a relationship with. Doing hair is a very personal thing. You know, you're hands-on with people, you get to know them. Several times there's people in my chair in a day that are there for hours at a time. So you definitely develop a relationship with them. But in all aspects, like, I have the best job in the world. I get to make people feel good about themselves every day. Like, I can't imagine anything being better than that.